Hey, my name is Dr. Sonya Dunbar, and I'm affectionately known as the Geriatric Toothfairy. And every time I find a product that can help those that work in long-term care facilities, that can make our job go a little smoother and make cleaning the elderly teeth a little more comfortable, I always want to bring that to you. And today, I have a product that works amazing, and it's Turbo CR. This product only takes 30 seconds to work. What you do, we load it up in this, put the tip on, squeeze a little bit of it in this tray that they supply, and set it on the teeth. If there's a ledge or tartar that you can see, set it on the teeth. This magical Turbo CR loosens that calculus, and it makes it easier to remove. It's more comfortable for the patient. If you're dealing with patients with special needs, dealing with people that have dental phobias, or dealing with elderly people who can't keep their mouth open too long, this is the product for you. I highly endorse Turbo CR.